So Samsung might have just accidentally locked in one of its biggest launch dates of the year. And honestly, this one's shaping up to be really interesting. We're talking about the Galaxy S26 series. And according to some of the most reliable leakers in the industry, Samsung has pretty much circled February 25th, 2026 for its next big Unpacked event in San Francisco. At first, this was just a rumor floating around online, but when people like Ice Universe and Evan Blass both agree on the exact date and confidently say it's 100% correct, you know it's not just another random Twitter guess. So yeah, if you're someone planning to upgrade, you can actually start treating that date like the real thing. And it gets even better, because leaks suggest the phones should go on sale pretty early in March, so you won't be waiting long after the announcement to actually get your hands on one. But here's where things get a bit controversial. Multiple reports suggest Samsung isn't exactly planning a budget-friendly surprise this time. Prices for the Galaxy S26 lineup are expected to go up compared to the S25 series. And what makes that a little frustrating is that the upgrades this year might not be massive in terms of raw hardware. The main reason behind the price hike seems to be rising component costs, especially memory, which is apparently becoming more expensive thanks to shortages and supply issues. What's even more interesting is how Samsung is reportedly handling this situation differently depending on where you live. In South Korea, Samsung's home market, the prices are expected to go up by around $30 to $60 across the S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. It would actually be the first big price bump there since 2023, and analysts are already predicting that more Samsung devices launching this year might follow the same trend. But then, there's the United States, where Samsung might actually keep the prices the same. Not lower, but not higher either. And the reason is pretty strategic. The US is one of Samsung's biggest battlegrounds, especially against Apple. If Apple decides not to raise prices for its next iPhones, Samsung clearly doesn't want to make things easier for them by suddenly becoming the more expensive option. So it looks like Samsung may simply absorb some of the extra cost in that market just to stay competitive. Officially, Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet. But when you've got senior executives like TM Rowe openly acknowledging that prices probably need to increase because parts are getting more expensive, plus multiple reliable industry sources saying the same thing, it definitely feels like we're heading in that direction. So now the big question is pretty simple. If Samsung really does raise prices, is the Galaxy S26 series going to offer enough to justify spending more? Or are people going to start skipping upgrades altogether? I'm really curious what you think about this. Would a price hike actually stop you from buying the S26? Or are you still excited for it regardless? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I read as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.